Maine Tourism Association's Workforce Development Program, Tourism for Me, creates connections between Maine's tourism and hospitality businesses and 16 to 24-year-olds throughout the state via in-school presentations, field trips, free training experiences, and paid internship opportunities. Tourism for Me has helped youth, parents, and educators realize a career potential within Maine's tourism industry.
Tourism for Me is all about supporting and growing the tourism workforce here in Maine. It's about changing perceptions of what careers in the tourism industry can really mean. It's about getting young people to consider careers in our industry, and it's also about developing our current workforce.
We connect these young people with the variety of tourism and hospitality businesses throughout the state, hopefully creating a pipeline for the future of the workforce.
We were fortunate enough to get a Department of Labor grant a couple of years ago, which really gave us the resources to create a lot of the foundation and content needed to develop this program.
What we realized in talking to our member businesses is that there was a real lack of connectivity between Maine youth and the businesses where they were trying to find jobs.
Because we're really trying to reach young people ages 16 to 24 and get them really interested and excited about careers in our industry, working with the schools has been absolutely vital to everything that we've been doing.
By being a part of programming that these students experience fairly regularly through the training opportunities we provide, through the internships that we provide, through any type of relationship, we're able to help create that pipeline and that connection between young people and their future careers.
We did a 2-night winter skills training at Maine Primitive Skills School for both of my classes, and it was a really great opportunity for them to learn some solid hard skills and also just interact with each other and some other industry professionals. So really one of the things that I focus on in this program is to make it as real as possible and to make sure that we've got these pathways, right? That they come here and they learn the skills with me, but we are also out networking with our program partners and developing my students' networks and then kind of getting them into those career pathways. And this is like the partnership with Tourism for Me has been a really successful way to do that.
I went through the Maine Tourism Association website. I said I was interested in sailing and getting out onto the water. Maine Tourism set me up with an internship on the schooner. I've learned about the different lines on board, like the halyards and the sheets. I've learned different knots like the bowline and hitches. I love being out on the water, and it's really helped me realize that, so I know what I want to do.
I think this is a great opportunity on both sides. Yes, I'm passing on a lot of knowledge, but it's also a great opportunity for somebody to go, oh, that's way more work than I had in mind, because it's easy to think, oh, he goes fishing for a living, it's only fun. Well, the truth of the matter is, it takes a lot of work to make that happen every day, twice a day, for 100 days straight, and just get that kind of hands-on experience and perspective.
I give a lot of credit to Kat and Caroline, who have stepped up and were incredibly driven and motivated to put forth and create a lot of outstanding content and really fostered a culture to move forward with a fantastic program. Anything that we can do to make sure that the tourism and hospitality industry is put in a better, more competitive position, then that's one of our roles to be able to do that. And this program does that.